Good morning everyone. This is Kamikawa Kaolin. Last time YouTube regarding the matter that subtitle translation cooperation function by viewers was terminated on September 28. I told you along with that, it seems that the translation function in YouTube Studio has been completely renewed. By making it easier to use, if the creator himself takes the initiative in adding subtitles, there is no need for viewers to cooperate in translation. Viewers will be able to translate and view using automatic translation. That's a very good thing. However, it's just new and I don't know how to use it. On the contrary, you may hear some people say that it is inconvenient. Also, at present, it cannot be used on smartphones. This is fatal. YouTube, please take immediate action so that you can use this feature on your smartphone. So let's take a look at the new features together this time. First, download the subtitle file. For some reason, it seems that you can only select and download VTT, SRT, SPV files from the first screen, from here. Is this something of a program convenience? This doesn't seem to be a bug. Is it a specification? So, when I move to the edit screen immediately. First, let's edit the automatically generated subtitles to create Japanese subtitles. Click, duplicate and edit. I found one bug here. The volume is always at maximum. Please change it so that you can remember the set volume. First, divide the phrase correctly, and then correct the typographical error. Click the play button and stop where you want to separate the clauses. Return enter where you want to divide the actual text. Click the play button again. Stop where you want to separate the clauses. Return enter where you want to divide the actual text. I will repeat this endlessly. It's like weaving a woven fabric. Keep one phrase within 1.5 lines, at most 2 lines. Well, it doesn't matter if you like. Now that you've completed it, let's fine-tune the sound matching accurately. This uses the mouse to move, shrink, and stretch the band of words. It seems that the computer will do the fine adjustment. You can play with the numbers directly, but it's annoying. It doesn't seem necessary. When the phrase is completed with, let's correct the typographical error in the word. If you can make a 5-minute video in less than an hour, you are at a professional level. When you are done with, click Publish in the upper right. That's all there is to it. The above method is the method when there is no manuscript at all. If you have a manuscript, you can create subtitles faster. Subtitles can be created quickly without typographical errors. To use for subtitles, there is no mistake in the computer if you always open one line where you want to separate the clauses. Specify the range and copy. With the subtitle function of YouTube Studio, select Japanese in Add Language. Click Add. Click Auto Sync. Paste the text. Click Assign Timing. It will take a while. Then the text will be synchronized with the time. The problem here is the line breaks automatically at 15 characters. If it exceeds 3 lines, the phrase will be different. Punctuation marks and brackets disappear. There is a problem called. It may be a specification rather than a bug. It takes a lot of time to fix this, and the synchronization function does not come to life. Do not break lines without permission. Divide the segment only where one line is open. Isn't that the rule? It is a treasure rot. Also, however, it doesn't affect the next clause, so it's still good. Punctuation is very important in Japanese, and if you make a mistake, the meaning will change. It's a pity that the developers don't seem to understand that point at all. Well, even so, there are no typographical errors, and if you combine sentences, the synchronization with time will not be lost, so the work time can be shorter than the automatic generation. Also, create a subtitle file with another subtitle creation app. You can also upload the subtitle file. I created an SRT format subtitle file with an app called Vru and I'm uploading it to YouTube. This method is introduced in another video, so please see the comment section. With this method, the subtitles will not shift, but since it will take time to create subtitles with Vru, it's just a little more efficient, not a radical improvement. The best is the text synchronization operation, which does not break lines in strange places. Punctuation does not disappear, the phrase changes when one line is opened. If the improvement is made, I think that the subtitle creation work will be dramatically improved. For automatic translation to other languages, go to the Translation tab of YouTube Studio. Click Add Language, select the language you want to translate at once. And select Click Add. Click Automatic Translation. Click Publish. By repeating this, automatic translation can be performed. This is also very fast and I am surprised. As mentioned above, there are still bugs, but I think it has become much easier to use. Again, the key to adding subtitles in other languages is the creator himself should put the subtitles of his own country properly. If the subtitles of your own country are properly attached, automatic translation can be an effective means. YouTubers, please add subtitles. That's all.